Welcome guys to this video. Today we will talk about the virtual private network, and his benefits in our life. First of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our video. Virtual Private Network, VPN, is a network architecture for virtually extending a private network, i.e. any computer network which is not the public internet, across one or multiple other networks which are either untrusted, as they are not controlled by the entity aiming to implement the VPN, or need to be isolated, thus making the lower network invisible or not directly usable. A VPN can extend access to a private network, one that disallows or restricts public access to some of its resources, to users who do not have direct access to it, such as an office network allowing secure access from off-site over the internet. This is achieved by creating a link between computing devices and computer networks by the use of network tunneling protocols. It is possible to make a VPN secure to use on top of insecure communication medium, such as the public internet, by choosing a tunneling protocol which implements the necessary security features to guarantee confidentiality and integrity. This kind of VPN implementations have the benefit of reduced costs and greater flexibility, with respect to dedicated communication lines, for remote workers. Now let's talk about the history of VPN. ARPANET introduced the idea of connecting distant computers in the 1960s. The foundation for current internet connectivity was established by ensuring the development of protocols like TCP/IP in the 1980s. Particular VPN technologies first appeared in the 1990s in response to the growing concerns about online privacy and security. It could easily be said that VPNs are a necessity since privacy, security, and free internet access should be everybody's right. First, they establish secure access to the corporate networks for remote users, then, they secure the data during the transmission and, finally, they help users to avoid geo-blocking and censorship. VPNs are highly useful for protecting data on open Wi-Fi, for privacy, and preventing one's ISP from throttling one's internet connection. Now, how does a VPN work? Let us understand VPN with an example. Think of a situation where the corporate office of a bank is situated in Washington, USA. This office has a local network consisting of say 100 computers. Suppose other branches of the bank are in Mumbai, India, and Tokyo, Japan. The traditional method of establishing a secure connection between the head office and the branch was to have a leased line between the branches and head office, which was a very costly as well as troublesome job. VPN lets us effectively overcome this issue. Characteristics of VPN. Encryption. VPNs employ several encryption standards to maintain the confidentiality of the transmitted data and, even if intercepted, can't be understood. Anonymity. Thus, VPN effectively hides the user's IP address, thus offering anonymity and making tracking by websites or other third parties impossible. Remote access. VPNs provide the means for secure remote connection to business networks, thus fostering employee productivity through remote working. Geo-spoofing. The user can also change the IP address to another country using the VPN, hence breaking the regional restrictions of some sites. Data integrity. VPNs make sure that the data communicated in the network in the exact form and not manipulated in any way. VPN protocols. OpenVPN, a cryptographic protocol that prioritizes security, is called OpenVPN. OpenVPN is compatible protocol that provides a variety of setup choices. Point-to-point tunneling protocol, PPTP is not utilized because there are many other secure choices with higher and more advanced encryption that protect data. WireGuard is a good choice that indicates capability in terms of performance. Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP is developed for Windows users by Microsoft. It is not widely used due to the lack of connectivity. Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, L2TP, it connects a user to the VPN server but lacks encryption, hence it is frequently used with IPsec to offer connection, encryption, and security simultaneously. Why should use VPN? For unlimited streaming, love streaming your favorite shows and sports games. A VPN is your ultimate companion for unlocking streaming services. For elevating your gaming experience, unleash your gaming potential with the added layer of security and convenience provided by a VPN. Defend yourself against vengeful competitors aiming to disrupt your gameplay while improving your ping for smoother, lag-free sessions. Additionally, gain access to exclusive games that may be restricted in your region, opening up a world of endless gaming possibilities. For anonymous torrenting, when it comes to downloading copyrighted content through torrenting, it's essential to keep your IP address hidden. A VPN can mask your identity and avoid potential exposure, ensuring a safe and private torrenting experience. For supercharging your internet speed, are you tired of your internet speed slowing down when downloading large files? Your internet service provider, ISP, might be intentionally throttling your bandwidth. Thankfully, a VPN can rescue you by keeping your online activities anonymous, effectively preventing ISP throttling. Say goodbye to sluggish connections and embrace blazing fast speeds. Securing public Wi-Fi, VPNs are essential for maintaining security when using public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in coffee shops, airports, or hotels. These networks are often vulnerable to cyber attacks, and using a VPN encrypts your internet connection, protecting your data from potential hackers and eavesdroppers when you connect to untrusted Wi-Fi hotspots. Are VPNs legal or illegal? Using a VPN is legal in most countries. The legality of using a VPN service depends on the country and its geopolitical relations with another country as well. A reliable and secure VPN is always legal if you do not intend to use it for any illegal activities like committing fraud online, cyber theft, or in some countries downloading copyrighted content. China has decided to block all VPNs, virtual private network, by next year, as per the report of Bloomberg. Many Chinese internet users use VPNs to privately access websites that are blocked under China's so-called Great Firewall. This is done to avoid any information leakage to rival countries and to tighten the information security. Benefits of VPN. When you use VPN, it is possible to switch IP. The internet connection is safe and encrypted with VPN. Sharing files is confidential and secure. Your privacy is protected when using the internet. There is no longer a bandwidth restriction. It facilitates cost savings for internet shopping. In conclusion, a VPN, virtual private network, is a powerful tool that enhances your online privacy and security by encrypting your internet connection and masking your IP address. Whether you're accessing public Wi-Fi, wanting to browse the web more securely, or bypassing geographical restrictions, a VPN offers a layer of protection that keeps your data safe. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, understanding and using a VPN can be an essential step in safeguarding your online presence. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me